How to give Robux to friends 2023. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to give Robux to friends 2023. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So to do that, what we need to do is to just head over and log into our Roblox account. And then from in there, just click on the three lines in the upper left corner. And then from in there, you can see the groups. So click on groups right there. And then in here, you can see this right here. So what we need to do is need to click on this create group, and then from in here we just need to name our group, for example test, and then the description you can put in here something. It's also optional. You can add in an emblem, and settings is anyone can join or manual approval. So in order to actually create a group, you need 100 Robux in order to create a group. Now once you have created a group, we can actually try to sell merchandises or search from there. So if you have merchandises, once someone buy that merchandise, then the group earnings will be deducted from 30% for Roblox itself, and then 70% for the creator. And then from in there, you can see that you have pending payments, which you can cash out among all of the group members. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to give Robux to friends 2023. If you have guns or comments, kindly put them in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!